What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me already, my name is Kai Guy, and I do have 64 subscribers, I think. Not a big milestone to some people, but for me, I mean, it's pretty big. 64 people following me. It's pretty cool. Anyways, today we're going to be talking about the 2022 Ram 1500. Pretty good pickup truck, I think. I like the styling, what they've done with it. They've included, little side cabinets, I guess you could say, the bed of the truck, I guess you could say. And it's pretty cool looking. It's sleek, and they've come a long way from their designs beforehand. But today we'll actually be talking about a new feature, or a new package, I should say, of the Backcountry Edition package, which will now be included of the buyers of the Bighorn or Lone Star trims, which, if you don't know those trims already, they are the highest of the highest trims you can get. And for a truck, that's a lot of money to be spending. So the package includes an off-road suspension system, which, similar to the TRX, it's a Hellcat motor inside a Ram 1500, which it's got a lot of power. And it includes the off-road suspension system, all-terrain tires, so you can go anywhere you want to with this thing. You got skid plates, just like the Toyota Tacoma has with the TRD Pro package. So just basic general things that you want when you're going off-roading with something like this, with an expensive luxury truck. It also includes an electronic rear differential, which is pretty good for some things, and hill descent control. So I guess you might need this when you're descending on a hill. I'm not too sure how it works, but I would think that you just brake while you're going downhill. But maybe it has some feature. I'm not sure. It will be available for buyers that are value oriented towards the Bighorn and Lone Star models, which are the top of the top. You're getting what you're getting, and they go up against things such as the Chevy or Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss and FX4 versions of the Ford F-150. So those are, again, the top trim levels. I'm surprised they didn't mention Lariat or anything like that. And if you think about it, this package, I'm not sure how much it will cost yet, but it includes basically what you need for off-roading, or if you're going overlanding, something like that. If you're just trying to get out in the wilderness, maybe you want to go down light trails for camping, something like that, you have the peace of mind that something will not break because you have those off-road components. This is interesting. The Backcountry Edition, this package, also includes several upgrades to the truck's bed, including adjustable tie-down hooks, a deployable bed step, a spray-in bed liner, and a bed extender, which, if you see on all the other cars, they all have bed extenders, or there's some, you can purchase that after, which, I don't know, maybe $200 to $600 for a bed extender. It doesn't extend your bed a whole lot, but it works. So you can choose from an extended cab or crew cab body style, which is, standard, whatever. And the Backcountry is powered by a 5.7 liter V8, which it's pretty good. And it can be equipped with or without the Ram's e-torque hybrid system, which, if you're all for saving the environment, go ahead. I'm not sure which one is exactly better, whether with the system or without. When you get into the interior, you see that black interior upholstery is the only option. So you can't have fancy, nice colors. You got to go with black. And some people say, I don't care about interior. But others, you may want something other than black interior in your car. But it combines faux leather, so fake leather, with cloth for a handsome look, which I don't personally like cloth in a car. I think it makes it feel cheap, and it just doesn't add to the luxurious price tag of this Ram 1500, if you will. And it also has all-season floor mats included, standard. And if you know already, these floor mats are not very expensive, so woohoo. It's not going to have as much off-road capability as the more expensive Rebel model, as this is more guided towards the luxurious street use of the Ram 1500. But it has a starting price of $41,780, which can buy you a lot of fully loaded cars, to be honest with you. And apparently the Backcountry edition is a fairly good deal in the eyes of many different car people. But to me, I don't think it's too good. But again, you're competing with similar price tags, say the Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. That's including most of this stuff, because it's guided towards off-road. So they're kind of leveling out the battlefield with them. And if they didn't have this package before, they were kind of lacking a little bit. So I think they're trying to make themselves look better, in terms of, fighting with their competitors. The release date, or the so-called date that you're going to get it or be able to even access it at a dealership, later this summer, which means it's probably a month or a month and a half away. Who knows? There could be delays of actually seeing this edition package being put into production and being available at the dealerships. With that in mind, this is the end of the video. I know it might have been boring to some people, but for me, I like trucks and I like seeing, what different additions people can come up with and the additions that are being implemented. So with that being said, make sure you subscribe, like today's video. If you did like it. If you didn't like it, please don't dislike, but just leave a comment how I could develop my skills better, or how I could make this video more entertaining for you. Let me know what your favorite truck model is, or what your favorite Dodge is.